Broadmoor, hospital machine shop. Frank at work, hanging smoke, yellow light, the noise of hammers, hot dust in his throat. Engine lathe, operations and controls. The pleasure of precision, of calibration tools, the cool shine of gauge wheels. The spindle rotates in both directions. The tailstock can be positioned along the ways. A cast gripped in a machine's jaws, a carbon tip, dead centre, burrows to its glowing heart. The quill moves within the tailstock. The carriage also moves along the ways. Skeins of steel at his feet, all their sharp edges. The cross slide moves perpendicular to the ways. Small cuts snag in his overall pockets. Fingerprints smudge a white china mug. To keep some mechanisms moving longitudinally straight and true, his rough fingers turn a handmade cigarette. His tongue wets the gum edge of a Rizzler. Ways are machined on the top surface. Ways are ground and often hardened. He leans back in satisfaction, inhales, talks with other men of countersinking.